Hello, my name is Boikhutso Koontse and I'm 22 years of age. I love acting because I enjoy exploring my talent, and I want to see myself going far in acting. And yeah, that's just it. Hey, yo, Smith, man. Look, I'm tired of your crap, okay? You gotta stop what you've been doing to me. Let me tell you one thing, man. Neither any of you or anybody or anything is gonna stop me from achieving what I wanna achieve. For all these years, I've been quiet. For all these years, I've been the good guy. Now it's time for me to take over. If you're gonna continue with that crap, then I tell you, man, you're gonna have to face the consequences, because I'm sick and tired of you. You got that?